and works of art as a Filipino national artist have been a beacon of creativity, inspiration, and excellence, making a lasting impact that continues to ripple beyond the artistic industry, benefiting many artists, cultural advocates, and workers, and the entire nation. We hereby bestow the Beacon of Culture and Arts Award to national artist Ryan Cayobiak.
Magandang hapon, magandang gabi. Nagpapasalamat ako sa Philippine Leaf Awards. At hayaan nyo, this year I'm turning 70. That's why I just want to tell you na wala pa na edad yung retirement. Kasi kami mga nagtatrabaho sa music, lalo na tayo na nasa sine at kultura, hindi tayo natatapos, hindi natatapos ng trabaho natin. Kaya sinabi nila na composers never die, they just decompose. Ang ibig sabihin ito, hindi kami titigil hanggang mamatay kami. Maraming salamat at mabuhay.
Yan po ang ating mga Beacon of Culture and Arts Award.